Hello. In this tutorial we will show you how to import a list of terms inside the PDF Index Generator program in order to index your book using this list of terms only. We are now in step 1 of the program, and we have selected the book that we'd like to index. We have already prepared a list of terms that we have collected from our book in a text file to import it inside the program, as you can see here. Each index entry is written in a separate line. We will start by clicking Tools, Settings, Include Words. Click the Import Categories link. And we will select the text file that we have created to import it to the program. We can import an XML file or a text file. We will change the extension to a text file. OK. The file is imported successfully to a new category. The program gives the imported category a default name, but we can change this name. Click the Edit Category button. Let's rename it to Imported List. Click Save. Then click OK to apply the changes. Click Next to move to step 2. Enable the option Index Specific Words in the book, and click the Include Words option. Enable the Include category that we have just imported to use it. Enable the option Index those words only to force the program to index the terms found in the selected category, and ignore any other words in the book that are not in this list. Click OK to apply the changes. Click the Generate Index button, and the program will start generating the index, using our list of terms only. Done. As you can see, the program has indexed only the terms found in our imported list. The Include category feature is very powerful. It also has other features, as we can also define header and subheader terms inside it, to make the indexing job easier and professional at the same time. To learn more about this, please check our video tutorials page, or the program help page, on our website. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.